Paul says it was party's decision to drop him from cabinet and there is no agreement to share cabinet berths. Special investigating team set up to probe 4-year-old murder. City SP Herbert Kharkongor will head probe team. And Tourist Taxi Association starts indefinite strike from today. The news in detail. 8 legislators took oath today to join the MDA 2.0 government. The newly inducted members are NPP's Timothy D. Shira, Brenning A. Sangma, Sosthenes Sotun and Wailat Miki Shulla, UDP's Metba Lingdo and Lakmen Rimboy, HSPDP's Methodist Dakar and BJP's Shanbor Shulai. Their portfolios will be announced soon. Among the prominent leaders who lost cabinet berths are Amperine Lingdo, Paul Lingdo and A.T. Mandal. Outgoing Tourism Minister Paul Lingdo said today that it was the party's decision to drop him from the cabinet. Lingdo further said that there was no agreement to share cabinet berths. Besides Lingdo, Kermen Shala is another UDP leader who has lost his cabinet berth. UDP's Metba Lingdo and Lakmen Rimboy have been inducted into the cabinet.
I have not thought because first, even the new ministers are yet to be sworn in. Second is I have just had consultation with office bearers of the Shillong City UDP district, of which I am the president. But I can say this, I believe that every setback also can turn into a setup.
A special investigation team SIT has been set up to probe the alleged murder of a 4-year-old girl in Nongra. The SIT will be headed by City SP Herbert Kharkongor. The toddler in Saphira Lingdo Maunai went missing on Sunday and her body was found a day after. East Khasi Hills SP Vivek Eam said the SIT would thoroughly investigate the case and interrogate more people. Forensic experts and a canine squad already searched the site where the child's body was found on Monday.
An SIT will be formed on this case to ascertain the facts of the matter and to also zero down on the culprit or culprits. So investigation is will actually, once we delve more into this case and get the forensic reports and other analytics, then we'll be able to get a clearer picture of things. Once we start probing, then the picture will be clearer.
The Sanjuk Ki Nong Sanchar Nong Nong Thamai Palun today organized a rally condemning the alleged murder of the toddler in Nongra. Sanjuk President Bantali Nari said the law must deal with the perpetrators firmly. The Nongra Dorbar Shnong Secretary P. Pingrop said the incident was beyond imagination and the community members were heartbroken.
Ning hapan tempau sa sarkar ban kintu ya ka bakan sim ya sinjam ka bating ban lap bat ban kem ya kum kini hi nong le kam snil bat khaptam ru ba ka an kam dei ban sinjor palat ba ka an ka dei ban dan ba ka sarkar ka dei ban thau ki an ka ba laknu nu ban kum stom ki bon kong snam nang ba kan pen ti ya ki wei pat ki batnu ban le kum kini ki cekam
ka wei na ki sinjam ka bangan ai kan bat irang ba snom I president jong sinjuk ki irang ba snom kalong makat na kaliang ka government ka haban shim ki sinjam ban penyo ya kini ki CCTV camera habaro snom undai tang snom nora habaro snom jong nong ba snom ka baar ni don kam ya kini street light ki biang ki snom nomor kum bakalong ni ki snom inde ki snom ka beri spa andrei kajinglot na kamta kilikam kalong babon kumtang idawa na kamat ka sarkar bahkan nang penklan susu iki an kikendon.
Tourists at Shillong have to brace for a harrowing time in the coming days as the All Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association AKMTTA has started an indefinite strike from 5 a.m. today. Association spokesperson Balaji Jerwa said the strike is not against Assam drivers but the Meghalaya government. The drivers are miffed at the state government's failure to implement the reciprocal transport agreement with Assam and frame a new transport policy under the Meghalaya motor vehicle rules.
Dang ka strike na do manta ka singi khan rew tarik mod la shai ru kan kontin kan ya be khat nyu tarik ru kan ya be kat ba ka sarkar kampat khot ne kampat ong yangi ba ni kwa ban pentri kam no ya kata ka reciprocal transport agreement ba ngila kloy ban syong ba ka Assam ban syong ba ka Assam man le kata ka transport agreement badru ban wan ra ya ka policy kum ka Meghalaya motor vehicle rule kanang ba kila bante lakam kumya ka taxation ya ki permits nang ta ki entry exit point ya ki depots EA borokhat mdai tang hangni hapo East Khasi Hills kani ka bayu ladang ipet wat chapo Jaintia Hills chapo West Khasi Hills Southwest Khasi Hills ru ngila follow ya kani menta ka singi ngila dable kumju hi.
Elbina Marbanyang, a single mother of 4 children, finally got a roof above her head. All thanks to the All Primary School Teachers Association, UPSTA. The association raised Rs 6 lakh to construct and furnish a house in Ribhoi's Saitsning village. The initiative was part of the commemoration of the 176th death anniversary of the father of Khasi language, Reverend Thomas Jones. Meanwhile, UPSTA also celebrates 183 years of lower primary schools at Khasi and Jaintia Hills. Nongpa MLA Biral Bons Iem was the chief guest at the event at Nongdri Football Ground in Ribhoi.
Spark new producement. Kajina kajong lead Reverend Thomas Jones. Umrong pa jong Khasi alphabet. But hakajuk po. Ye kajinda Spark craft license. Ye kajing sang jong below primary school. Hapo the Khasi that they are doing. Hakajuk po. Kami United Khasi and Jantelis. George Washington Galuwa. Education is the key to unlock the golden road of freedom. If you are planning for a decade, plan peace. If you are planning for a lifetime, educate people.
The National Disaster Response Force NDRF is organizing a 5-day program in West Khasi Hills under the Familiarization Exercise FAMEX Community Awareness and School Safety Program 2025. The NDRF will visit schools in 5 villages across the district. The initiative focuses on training the youth in effective emergency response. The Jirang Organic Agro Farmer Producer Company, Jirang FPC, has achieved another milestone with the inauguration of the state's first aseptic pulping and mandarin sorting, grading and waxing unit. The Jirang FPC had earlier exported Khasi mandarin to Dubai. The new unit has been set up at a cost of Rs 1.50 crore. It has facilities for storing the fruits and other produce, processing, extracting fruit pulp, sorting and packaging. Speaking at the inaugural ceremony, Ampreen Lingdo said the new unit will benefit the farmers of Western Ribhoi in the long term. Jirang FPC was set up in 2017 and currently it has 434 members. The group is all in partnership with the Lulu Group International. The new unit will help the FPC market not only Khasi mandarin but also other produce like pineapple, jackfruit and ginger.
Pitip na pitip ya kata. Pitip bet kat babet unsay so hakinigilong. Ni kasurkan yung ino yung tuyo ya let pie shop kinong manrim. Kibat prat, kibat hongi kijur, kibat tay ya kamen. Kibabha, kiba ay snam, kiba ay mansin, kiba ay jingin, kikon kiktim, kipateng, kibanwan. Kiyong o, guteng sarta, gabas niyo. Kamay, yung iya o, daway yuria, haptit, nakablak.
Now for the weather report. First, let us take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature 22 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 29 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 79%, rainfall 7.8 millimeters. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature 17 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 24 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 85%, rainfall 26 millimeters. Meanwhile, in Jawai, minimum temperature 18 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 24 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 80%, rainfall 3.4 millimeters. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and Jawai says moderate rain and thunder shower is likely to occur at most places. And before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. Newly inducted members take oaths to join MDA 2.0. Portfolios will be announced soon. Paul says it was party's decision to drop him from cabinet and there is no agreement to share cabinet berths. Special investigating team set up to probe 4-year-old's murder. City SP Herbert Hargamor will head probe team. And Tourist Taxi Association starts indefinite strike from today. And that's all we have in the news for today. Do join us again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Until then, it's good night.